What's up, everybody? This is that 3-in-1 cheap Emerson stereo system. I'm having a problem with it. When I turn it on for the turntable does not spin when I move the tone arm over. Now, these things are either belt driven or direct drive. I don't know which one this is. I've never opened it up, but as I move the tone arm here, I can hear the motor turning, but the platter doesn't spin. Okay, we're just going to tie down the tone arm. This is just so as we flip it over, we don't cause any damage to the needle. Remove 2 screws here and 2 here. It's got 4 screws to remove from the bottom. Okay, now with this open, I see that this is direct drive. It's not belt driven. That's good. I don't have to chase down a belt. So I'm just going to flip over this motor here. It's like 3 screws. Okay, with that flipped over, you can see how dirty this drive wheel is. Now, as it rubs up against the motor shaft there, what happens when it's dirty is it'll just cause slip. The drive wheel will not spin, it won't activate. So we're just gonna clean that up. All right, you just take a cotton bud. You can use a tiny bit of alcohol, don't use too much. Don't over soak the thing, it can damage the rubber. But you can see all the filth coming off of there. All right, with that all cleaned up, we're gonna pop her back together. And now it's time for the test. And there we go. She's working again. This is a really simple, easy fix anybody can do. Don't go throwing it away just because it's not working right. At least crack it open and give it a shot. You're either gonna have most of the time, you're gonna have a broken belt or just a dirty wheel, dirty drive wheel. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.